Manize Christopher Muchangwa has become a master of selling his soul for fleeting favors, as spineless as a worm. Sanabena mashuku buda pangwa ine atukona kuti kuda kwashe Tagwireyi onzi he will never ever aiwa rule Zimbabwe. Not about subscriber or like ubotina on the bell icon panapa tichipinda aiwa muna Zimbabwe mubudani kwa mchizi back in November 2024. You backed through small press conference with the Farai, visibly disturbed by the truth, even calling me insane. But now you've come face to face with the reality that Chiwenga is the next president, not the fantasy of ED 2030. Kerina Mjati said. You once mocked me saying that Kerina Mjati thinks she appoints presidents on social media, trying to sound clever yet clearly delusional. You sold out the nation for your dream of prosperity under ED 2030. When that dream collapsed, you sent Monica, your wife, to publicly attack Kuda Tagwireyi, hiding behind a woman's skirt like a coward just to stay politically relevant. And now you laugh at Tagwireyi just because Chiwenga has cut down the very tree you once thought was untouchable. You shift with the political wind like a plug with no origin. You lack principle. You lack a backbone. A sellout who only serves himself. Let it be known, Kuda Tagwireyi will never rule Zimbabwe, not through corruption, not through luxury cars, and certainly not by feeding off the blood of the pure. Those who received vehicles improperly must be suspended and return them. ZANU-PF was once a people's movement, but today it resembles a jungle full of predators in suits. Hashtag no to Tagwireyi. Hashtag Srigananda is no hero. Hashtag Srigananda must fall. Ndo mashukano ya panapa achitaurwa na Kerina Mjati aiwa akamananganisa kuna Manize kana kuti Christopher Muchangwa nevakomana vana kuda kwashe Tagwireyi. Tuze mafunguro enyu mutikudi pamusoro pechitiko chimina comment section medu za mafunguro enyu. Musangano subscribe or like, konchita notina the bell icon.